blowing through your hair. Every moment feels so rare, like a dream I used to know. Now it's real and it won't go. Every laugh, every smile makes this life so worthwhile.